goes. Let's slither and say sing along with me. B is for bear. It goes buck. Let's growl and say Phonics is so fun. Move your hands, stomp your feet, say the sounds and feel the beat. Jump, clap, wiggle too. Phonics fun for me and you. H is for hop like a hare. H jump everywhere. I is for run real fast. R goes zooming past. J is for jump, leap up high. J touch the sky. Let's play a game. What's that sound? Listen close, then jump around. If you hear a lion roar, shout and roar some more. Read and play, sing today. Phonics fun won't go away. Letter sounds, actions too. Learning's fun for me and you. E is for bear. It goes buck. Let's growl and say Phonics is so fun. Move your hands, stomp your feet, say the sounds and feel the beat. Jump, clap, wiggle too. Phonics fun for me and you. H is for hop like a hare. H jump everywhere. R is for run real fast. R goes zooming past. J is for jump, leap up high. J touch the sky. Let's play a game. What's that sound? Listen close, then jump around. If you hear a lion roar, shout and roar some more. Red and